Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creations Ltd. Where creativity meets professionalism. Are you looking for an eye-catchy, high-quality design that make your brand stand out? Whether it's a business card, logo, social media post, or any custom design, we bring your vision to life fast and flawlessly. In today's video, I'll show you how to design a stunning business card that leaves a lasting impression. If you need a custom design tailored to your brand, feel free to reach out. Let's create something special together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative design and connect us for custom design solution. After create a page for a business card, go to the element and now let's search for a white texture background. Go to the photos. Let's take this background and adjust it on the right side, half side of the page. And now again go to the element, search a shape. Let's take this rectangle shape. Adjust it on the other half of the page, change the color in blue, make it a copy and make a small shape and change the color in dark blue. And now take a text box and type the name. Change the color in white and now change the font style in Poppins. Change the color in white. From the element, let's take a line. Keep the line weight in 1. Adjust it under the name. Take another text box and type marketing manager, a designation. Make it smaller and adjust it under the line and the name. Keep the font in the normal font, not in bold. Change the shape color. From the element, let's take this oval shape. Make it smaller and thinner little bit. Make it 4 copies. Adjust all the 4s together. Keep the shape over the small shapes. And now go to the element and search for a phone icon. Then a email icon. And a home icon. And a wave icon. Adjust all the icons. Change the color in the blue shade. Take a text box and type the phone number. Take a text box, type the email number, location and the web address. Go to the element and let's search for a company logo. Change the keyword and search a W logo. Delete the previous one and keep this logo, and now change the color in blue shades. Take a text box and type the company name. Now let's change the font style. Keep this font style and adjust the name and the logo together. Now press Alt and copy the logo, change the color in white, place it on the right side and keep the transparency low. Let's go to the back page. Change the color in the blue shade. Now change the color of the logo in blue shade like previously. Take the logos and adjust it like this. Place the name, change the color in white. Keep the transparency low. So here it is, a business card for a marketing firm. If you need this kind of design or any other design need you have, like a logo design, flyer design, brochure design, presentation design, you can contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.